Hello and welcome back to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here and to be showing you a new tutorial. It has been a hot minute and so I'm super excited to be back into designing and all of the things, and I do have my little co-host with me. Minnie is sitting in the high chair with some Cheerios grinning at me because I'm looking at him while I'm talking about him. So anyway, this tutorial we are going to be talking about the KSPS, so knit, slip, pass, slip. And I'm sure this is probably a stitch somewhere, but I don't know about it, so I essentially created it, invented it for this design because I was really wanting a very specific look. This is actually a knitted egg dishcloth canvas project. It looks like this when it's finished. So it was these decreases that I'm trying to get a very specific look for. So how do we do it? First of all, we knit the first stitch, we slide or we slip that stitch, transfer it back to the left needle. We are going to pass the second stitch on the left needle over the knit stitch and off the needle, and then we're going to transfer that knit stitch back over to the right needle. And that's it. That's a KSPS. So it is using 2 stitches to decrease 1 stitch, or decrease 1 stitch over 2 stitches. All right, I'm going to go ahead and purl one, and then I'll show you once again. So we knit 1 stitch, we transfer that stitch back over to the left needle, we pass the second stitch on the left needle over the knit stitch and off the needle. So I still want that knit stitch on the needle, and then we just transfer, slip it purlwise back to the right needle. And that is a KSPS. That is what it looks like. So this stitch here and that stitch there are that KSPS. See them on the front side. And there you go. I hope that you found this tutorial super helpful. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. You can message me. My email's always in the patterns that I write, or you can put a comment here on in the YouTube video. So yeah, happy knitting and hope this helps. Talk to you soon.